In times of emergency, it is imperative that alert and alarm data be both as effective and as efficient as possible. Layered Solutions is an experienced emergency management solutions provider that streamlines and simplifies emergency, safety, and routine communication. As we talked with individuals wanting to upgrade their fire panel monitoring and notification capabilities, it became very apparent that there was a need for a single graphic interface that processes information in real time, allowing the user to make quick, informed decisions. Layered Solutions' Fire Panel solution creates central alarm monitoring that shows universal pull station data and alerts across multiple locations and mediums. Display fire panel messages are generated for LED signs, PC desktops, and a mobile app. Layered Solutions' Fire Panel solution allows users to create emergency messages ahead of time that can be automatically launched to the fire system's public address and voice evacuation systems from a single source, including a phone app. System administrators as well as first responders can view live video and building maps with active devices, allowing for optimal safety and evacuation practices. One of the biggest perks our Fire Panel Manager system provides is the easy integration to existing systems and various manufacturers for both voice and data in addition to other forms of mass notification. In addition, automated calls to technicians reference the exact problem and what equipment they may need to bring, greatly reducing the need for multiple return visits. Layered Solutions' centralized Fire Panel Manager saves time and money and, most importantly, protects an organization's most valuable asset, its people.